Top 10 contributions of whales to our ocean. Guardians of the deep whales are some of the largest, most majestic creatures in the ocean, yet their impact goes far beyond their size. These gentle giants play a vital role in maintaining the health and balance of marine ecosystems. In this story, we'll explore the top 10 contributions of whales to our oceans, delving into how they shape the world beneath the waves and support life in ways we are only beginning to understand. 1. Whale pumps. Recycling nutrients. Whales perform a critical function known as the whale pump, where they bring nutrients from the deep ocean to the surface. When whales dive deep to feed and return to the surface to breathe and defecate, they release a nutrient-rich plume that includes iron and nitrogen, essential for plankton growth. Plankton, in turn, forms the base of the marine food web, supporting a vast array of marine life. Without whales, this vertical movement of nutrients would slow, diminishing plankton populations and affecting the entire ocean ecosystem. 2. Carbon sequestration, nature's climate warriors. Whales play a surprising yet crucial role in fighting climate change. When whales die, their massive bodies sink to the ocean floor, taking with them large amounts of carbon. This process, known as whale fall, removes carbon from the atmosphere for hundreds to thousands of years. By storing carbon in their bodies, whales act as natural carbon sinks, helping to mitigate the effects of global warming. 3. Supporting plankton blooms. Whales indirectly contribute to one of the most important processes in the ocean, plankton blooms. Through their whale pump, as mentioned, and even just by their movement, they help distribute nutrients that encourage plankton growth. Plankton are critical to the Earth's carbon cycle, absorbing an estimated 30% of the world's CO2. Whales, by supporting the growth of these tiny organisms, are helping the planet breathe. 4. Creating habitats with whale falls. When a whale dies and its carcass falls to the ocean floor, it becomes an ecosystem in itself. This whale fall provides food and shelter for countless deep-sea creatures. Scavengers such as sharks and hagfish feast on the whale's flesh, while bacteria break down the bones, releasing nutrients into the surrounding waters. These whale falls can sustain unique communities of deep-sea organisms for decades, highlighting the immense contribution whales make even in death. 5. Maintaining fish populations. Whales help maintain healthy fish populations by ensuring the stability of the food web. Their nutrient recycling fosters plankton growth, which supports krill and small fish populations. These, in turn, are consumed by larger fish, seabirds, and marine mammals. The health of many commercially important fish species is indirectly supported by whales, making them valuable allies in sustaining fisheries that millions of people rely on for food and livelihoods. 6. Promoting biodiversity. As keystone species, whales help to promote biodiversity. Their presence and feeding behaviors influence the distribution and abundance of other species in the ocean. For example, whales can drive schools of fish to the surface, where they become easy prey for birds and other predators. By shaping the availability of food and resources, whales ensure that ecosystems remain diverse and resilient, helping them recover from disturbances such as overfishing or climate change. 7. Stimulating ocean currents. The sheer size and movement of whales through the water can stimulate ocean currents, particularly near the surface. These currents help mix the water, distributing heat, oxygen, and nutrients. This mixing supports marine life at all levels of the food chain and helps regulate the climate by moving warm water from the tropics to colder regions. Without whales, the ocean would lose an important mechanism for maintaining its balance and health. 8. Enhancing marine oxygen production. Whales play a direct role in enhancing oxygen production in the ocean by supporting phytoplankton growth. Phytoplankton, which rely on nutrients recycled by whales, are responsible for producing over 50% of the oxygen we breathe. The symbiotic relationship between whales and these microscopic plants ensures that the ocean continues to generate the oxygen necessary for life on Earth. Without whales, the delicate balance of oxygen production in the ocean could be disrupted. 9. Cultural and ecological significance. Beyond their ecological contributions, whales have immense cultural and spiritual importance to many coastal communities. For centuries, indigenous peoples have revered whales as sacred beings, understanding their role in maintaining the health of the oceans. The continued existence of whales ensures that these cultural traditions, which emphasize respect for nature, are preserved. Additionally, whale-watching tourism supports the economy of many coastal areas, fostering a human connection to the ocean. 10. Indicator species. Whales as ocean health monitors. Whales act as indicator species, providing scientists with important information about the health of the oceans. Their migratory patterns, body condition, and behaviors can reveal changes in ocean temperatures, pollution levels, and the availability of prey species. By studying whales, scientists can gain insights into broader environmental changes, allowing us to take action to protect the oceans and their inhabitants. Whales serve as a vital barometer for the well-being of marine ecosystems. Guardians of the deep whales are far more than just impressive marine mammals. They are guardians of the ocean. From their role in nutrient recycling and carbon sequestration to their influence on marine biodiversity and oxygen production, whales are integral to the health and balance of our oceans. As we continue to understand more about these magnificent creatures, it becomes clear that protecting whales is essential for the preservation of marine ecosystems and the well-being of our planet as a whole. Through their silent, powerful presence, whales continue to shape the world beneath the waves, ensuring that life in the ocean and beyond can thrive. Please share, like, hit that subscribe button, and comment for more stories like this. Thanks for watching.